everyone! Today, I'll demonstrate how to add a background to your designs in Canva using two simple methods. Let's dive in. Method 1. Using Canva's background app. To begin, navigate to the Apps section in the left sidebar of Canva. Scroll down and click on Background. Here, you'll discover a variety of pre-made backgrounds provided by Canva. While some may be exclusive to Canva Pro users, many are available for free. Simply choose the background that suits your design, and it will automatically be incorporated into your project. Method 2. Using elements for custom backgrounds. If you don't have a Canva Pro subscription, you can utilize the Elements tab for custom backgrounds. Search for terms like background and hit enter. Within the graphics category, click on See All to access a range of free options. Select a suitable background, click Add to Page, then right-click on it to set the image as the background for your design. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by liking and subscribing for more useful tips. Thank you for tuning in.